Hi, I'm Eileen Graham, one of the family members at Bradford Greenhouses. We are wholesale bedding plant growers as well as retail garden centers. And I'm here to tell you a little bit of the history about Bradford Greenhouses. My father, an Italian soldier who was a prisoner of war in England, worked as a farmhand and gardener after World War II. In 1956, in hopes of a better life for him and his family, he gathered his few belongings and his 4 children and moved across the ocean to our small town of Bradford, where he worked as a laborer in the Holland Marsh. In 1961, my father started his own business with his first greenhouse in Bradford. As a family business, all 7 children worked in the business. We were taught to work hard and treat people the way we would want to be treated. And so we did just that, and still do. Tony, one of our senior members of the family in his 70s, still goes to the Toronto Food Terminal to sell our goods in the middle of the night. We continue to grow and reinvest in the business, and I'm proud to say that the 3rd generation of our family is now working together with us. Together with our long-term employees, some of which have been with us for generations, we have worked hard to help the business grow. And I'm proud to say Bradford Greenhouses is now one of the largest wholesale growers and retailers in Ontario, with locations in both Bradford and Barrie. We've also been awarded recently the Canadian Garden Centre of the Year. While we have grown a lot in the last 60 years, at heart Bradford Greenhouses is still a local family business, rooted in long-standing close relationships with our employees and our customers, as well as our community. And we're grateful to all of you for all of your support over the years.
Hi, I'm Jen Ferragini from Bradford Greenhouses. Here we are in our Bradford location, where we decorate close to 20 different themed trees each Christmas season. This year, one of our feature themes is Mistletoe Manor, which has this beautiful black and white checkered buffalo plaid with touches of soft green. Every year we try to do different themes to accommodate everyone's own individual home decor and style requirements. We ask you to please visit our stores for all your Christmas needs this holiday season.
We are here at the Barrie location. Every year, our talented staff put together this magical holiday display. So sit back, grab your favorite beverage and snack, and enjoy our virtual open house with plenty of decorating tips, fashion trends, and gift ideas.
Hi, it's Gabrielle and Doris. We're putting the finishing touches on our winter arrangement. If you like to create your own, we carry everything in the store as far as greenery and decoration to cater to any taste. If you like to learn how to make your own, we do offer an extended version of our video online at bradfordgreenhouses.com.
Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm one of the designers here at Bradford Greenhouses, and I'm just going to add the finishing touch to my custom silk piece here. So in addition to wreaths, we also design garlands, silk centerpieces, fresh floral arrangements, and anything else you may need here in our store for your Christmas decor.
I'm Karina. I'm a designer here at Bradford Greenhouses. I'm just putting the final touches here on our tablescape. For the full extended how-to version of how to get this look in your home, visit bradfordgreenhouses.com.
Hi, I'm Teresa and I'm wearing an outfit from our very own Lily's Boutique. We have a lot of great gift ideas for everyone on your list this Christmas.
Hi, my name is Devin and I'm the Creative Director here at Bradford Greenhouses. I'm just putting the final touches on our tree. The theme is called Let Heaven and Nature Sing. If you wish to take a look at our extended video, you can take a peek at bradfordgreenhouses.com. You could shop online, or we would love to see you in store. All of us at Bradford Greenhouses would love to extend our warm and well wishes for this holiday season.